Storytime friends! I'm Amanda and today I'm going to be sharing a crowd favorite song from my preschool Storytimes, which is Slippery Fish. This song is fun because you get to tell a little story, the classic one of a small fish being eaten by a larger and larger and larger sea creature. And it can also be a cool one because you get to learn some real sign language. So as we go for each verse, I'll teach you the sign that you're going to need as we get to it. But otherwise, the only motions that you'll need to know is gulp, 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 and oh no! Alright, so let's give it a try. First we're going to pull out our slippery fish, and that is this fish sign. And we're going to make it slip. So it goes like this. A slippery fish, a slippery fish, shining through the water. A slippery fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no! It was eaten by... Now we're going to pull out our octopus. So for this one we're going to make a fist, and that'll be at the head of our octopus. And then we're going to pull out some squiggly legs for the bottom. And this one can be a good one for little kids to practice because it's a little tricky at first. Alright, so an octopus, squiggling through the water. An octopus, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no! It was eaten by... Now we're going to pull out that same fish sign for our tuna fish. A tuna fish, flashing through the water. A tuna fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no! It was eaten by... Now we're going to pull out our great white shark, which is just a lovely fin on your head. A great white shark, lurking through the water. A great white shark, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no! It was eaten by... And here is our biggest animal, our humongous whale, which, no, they don't eat sharks, but that's okay. For this song it'll work. Alright, so this is our trickiest one. We're going to pull out a water line here, and then we're going to have our whale jumping in it. A humongous whale, spouting through the water. Humongous whale, gulp, gulp, gulp. Burp! Excuse me! And that's where our song ends. I always like to ask the kids who they think burped, because it always makes them laugh, but they don't always know that it was our whale. So, thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!